Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we will delve into an exciting, game-changing approach that revolutionizing the way businesses operates. Agile Management.
1. Understanding the basics of Agile Management. Firstly, let's understand the basics of Agile Management. This approach originated from software development, but its success quickly spread to other sectors. Agile Management is about responding quickly and efficiently to change. Instead of long, drawn-out planning and execution phases, Agile adopts an iterative and incremental approach, delivering value to customers faster. 2. The historical evolution of Agile Management. Moving on to the historical evolution of Agile Management, Agile philosophy was born out of a need for a more flexible, adaptable model than the traditional waterfall method. The Agile Manifesto, published in 2001, set the foundation with its 12 core principles. 3. Key principles of Agile Management. These principles include customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery, welcoming change, regular reflection, and self-organizing teams. Understanding these principles is key to fully embracing Agile. 4. The importance of Agile Management in today's business environment. In today's dynamic, fast-paced business environment, Agile Management has become crucial. It allows companies to adapt rapidly, deliver value quicker, and foster a culture of collaboration and ownership. Accelerates product delivery. Agile Management promotes faster and more efficient delivery of products, allowing businesses to get their products or services to market quicker than their competitors. Enhances customer satisfaction. With its customer-focused approach, Agile Management ensures that the products or services delivered meet customers' expectations, thereby improving customer satisfaction. Improves adaptability. In today's unpredictable business environment, being able to adapt quickly to changes is crucial. Agile Management allows teams to quickly respond to changes, be it market trends, customer needs, or technological advancements. Promotes continuous improvement. Agile Management emphasizes on continuous learning and improvement, ensuring that businesses are always at the top of their game. 5. Different methodologies in Agile Management. An overview. There are various methodologies within Agile Management, like Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and XP, each with its own unique strategies and benefits. The choice of methodology depends on the specific needs of the project and the team. 6. How Agile Management promotes flexibility and responsiveness. Agile Management fosters flexibility and responsiveness by breaking down large projects into manageable sprints. It encourages teams to prioritize tasks, adapt to changes, and deliver results quickly. Flexibility. Unlike traditional management styles that focus on rigid plans and set processes, Agile Management embraces change. It allows teams to pivot their strategies and actions according to evolving customer needs, market trends, and business goals. The flexibility of Agile Management ensures that businesses stay relevant and competitive in their industries. Responsiveness. Agile Management promotes a proactive approach. Instead of reacting to changes after they happen, Agile teams anticipate and respond to changes even before they occur. This responsiveness enables businesses to deliver value to their customers faster and more effectively. 7. Agile Management vs Traditional Management. A comparison. Compared to traditional management, Agile is more flexible, responsive, and customer-focused. While traditional management is linear and rigid, Agile is iterative and adaptable. Flexibility. Unlike traditional management styles that focus on rigid plans and set processes, Agile Management embraces change. It allows teams to pivot their strategies and actions according to evolving customer needs, market trends, and business goals. The flexibility of Agile Management ensures that businesses stay relevant and competitive in their industries. Responsiveness. Agile Management promotes a proactive approach. Instead of reacting to changes after they happen, Agile teams anticipate and respond to changes even before they occur. This responsiveness enables businesses to deliver value to their customers faster and more effectively. 8. Implementing Agile Management, a step-by-step guide. Implementing Agile can be challenging but highly rewarding. Start by understanding the Agile principles, choose the right methodology, train and empower your team, and remember to review and adapt regularly. 9. Common challenges in Agile Management and how to overcome them. Despite its benefits, Agile comes with its challenges, like resistance to change, unclear roles, and difficulty measuring progress. Overcome these by fostering a change-friendly culture, defining clear roles, and using Agile metrics. I hope you found this overview of Agile Management valuable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share. Thank you.